Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas is here to teach you some math. By the way, it's still me, Teacher Jonas, but I have grown a bit of beard. I hope you like it, but I'm gonna shave it soon. It's too hot. Okay, so let's review what we learned last class. We learned about addition. I hope you remember the name, okay? So let's see what addition is again. So as you know, the name is addition. Remember, it's not addition or addition. It's addition. 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 Okay, repeat after me once. Addition. Okay, very good. Now, let's learn what addition is. As you know, addition has two symbols, plus, which is this, and equals, which is this. So plus equals. Let's see when we use them. This one, 2 plus 2 equals 4. I hope you remember this stuff, okay? Let's see. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Easy. What about this one? Let's see. 4 plus 3 equals 10. Now you see, 7 is a one-digit number, and 3 is also a one-digit number. But when you add them together, they become 10, a two-digit number. Wow, like a magic. Let's see more. Now, do you remember we learned about two digits plus one digit? Like this one, 10 plus 5. This one is easy. You can do it in your head. You have 10 and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 15 now. So it's pretty easy. Let's do a harder one like 45 plus 8. Remember, when it's too hard for you to do it in your head, you can write it in column form. Remember this? This is the column form. So what is column form? We put the ones in ones and we put the tens in tens. You see, 45 is made of 5 ones and 4 tens. And 8 is made of 8 ones. That's it. So what we do next is that we add ones together. So 5 plus 8 is 13. What do we do with this? Remember, 13 is made of 3 ones and 1 10. So we cannot put 1 10 in ones, right? So we move it up here to tens. So we're going to have, you see, we put the 110 up here. So the 3 ones stays down here. Now we can add the tens together, which is 1 plus 4. What is 1 plus 4? Super easy, 5. So we already have the answer. 45 plus 8 equals to 53. So as you can see, you have to do it step by step. And sometimes we get numbers that are made of two digits. Remember, 5 and 8 becomes 13. So remember, you have to move the 10 to tens. You cannot keep the 10 in ones, okay? So today we are going to learn about something a little harder. But I'm sure you're all smart. You're going to learn it easily. Let's see what it is. What about two-digit plus two-digit numbers? Oh, let's see how it is. So, as you remember, two-digit numbers are numbers like 10, 15, 99. These are all two-digit numbers. Now, what will happen if we add two-digit plus two-digit? Remember, 100 is not a two-digit number. It's made of 3 digits. See? It has 1 hundredths, 0 tens, and 0 ones. It's made of 3 digits. So it's not a 2-digit number, okay? We're talking about numbers below 100 and above 9. Okay, so let's start with this number. 11. Yes, it's made of 2 digits plus 18, also made of 2 digits. So now we have two 2-digit numbers that we have to add together. We have to plus them. So let's read it one more time, okay? This time, read it with me. 11, one more time. 11 plus 18. One more time. 11 plus 18. Very good. Now, if you can do this in your head, good job. But sometimes it's hard. So what do? Remember? We put them in the column form. Remember the column form? We put ones in one section and tens in tens section. So 11 is made of 1 ones and 1 tens. Very easy. 18 is made of 8 ones and 1 tens. So what we do is, as you remember, we start from the right side. We add the ones digits, okay? So we have 1 plus 8. What is 1 plus 8? It's 9. Super easy. Now we move on to the next. We add tens together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2. Super duper easy. Okay. So now we have the answer. It's finished. The answer is 29. Great job. Now you know how to add 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers. Easy. So remember, first we start with the ones. When it's finished, we go to tens. Let's do one more. Let's try something a little harder, okay? Let's start with a story, okay? Do you like stories? Because I love stories. So let's listen to this story. Your class, let's say 1/1 or 1/2, has 29 students. Oh, so many. The other class, let's say bottom 2, let's say 2/1, has 18 students. Okay, so your class 29 students, the other class 18 students. Now the question is, how many students are going in all? Okay, so let's say your class and the other class go together. So 29 plus 18 go together. Let's see. We have to add them together. To make it easy, you have to write it in the column form. Remember the column form? Now remember, number 29 is made of 2 tens, and 9 ones. 9 ones. You can see 2 tens and 9 ones. And the number 18 is made of 1 10, and 8 ones, like this one. You see, 1 10, 8 ones. So you already know how these numbers are made. Now, what do we do first? Do you remember? Do we add the tens first or the ones first? Good job. We add the ones first. So let's add them together. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Uh-oh, we cannot put a 2-digit number in the ones place, right? Remember, we have 7 ones. Okay, good. But look at here. We have 1 tens. So what do? We have to move it to the tens area. So we have to regroup, okay? Let's regroup 10 of the ones into 1/10. We already did this before. As you know, 10 ones equals to 1/10. Okay? So you can think of 17 as 1/10 and 7 ones. So what does that mean? Look at here. We have 17 ones. No, we regroup them. We regroup 10 of the ones as 1/10 and 7 ones stay in the ones area. So we carry the 1, which is 1/10, to the tens area. There you go. See, we regroup this. We regroup 10 ones into 1/10. So now we have an extra number here, which is 1/10. What do we do with here? Look at here. 1 is here, and the 7 is here. What we do next is that we add the tens together. So we have 1, 2, 3 numbers. So let's go. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Ha! Good job. So we have 4/10. We have the answer already. The answer is 47. 47. So 29 plus 18 equals 47. Good job, everyone. Until now, if you have any questions, watch the video again, okay? Let's go back to the story, okay? So as you remember, your class has 29 students, the other class has 18 students, and together we say 29 plus 18 equals to 47 students. Because we're talking about students, right? So we say 47 students. Okay, everyone. So as you saw, we add the ones together first. Now sometimes when we add ones together, we will get a 10 too, like 17. What we do is that we regroup 1/10 up here. We add it to the tens, and we keep the ones here. So 17, 7 is here, and the 1/10 goes up here. But don't forget that when you add the tens, you should add that 1/10 too. Okay? So, see, regrouping is when you carry a digit to another column when you add, okay? So, you see we have 10 ones like this one, and then we regroup them as 1/10. Regroup. So, we regroup whenever we get 10 here, or 20 or 30, it doesn't matter, okay? But you're not gonna get that much. You get only 10 up here. So, I hope you understood today's lesson. Today, we learned how to add 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers. And we also learned how to regroup numbers, like this example. Now, if you have any questions that my video cannot answer, you can tell mommy or daddy to message me in Line application, and I will explain to you again. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Today's class was a little short because our topic was a little easy. Now, next class, we are going to learn about word problems. But don't worry. Word problems are stories. So you have to read a story and solve the problem in the story. Remember the class, the 29 students and then 18 students. This is a word problem. You already did it. So, it's going to be easy for you. Alright everyone, until next class, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye.